Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your text curvy on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select the text button here. You're going to then add text and you're just going to type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in the word curve. And I'm also going to change the style. So go to style here and I'm just going to choose this one. You can also again select the font here and change it. I'm just going to select this one because why not? Actually go to styles, and this is where we're going to add that curve. You're just going to slide this to the left until you find curve, and you're just going to select that, and you're going to select this here, and you can adjust the intensity by sliding it to the right or to the left. Press the check mark button, and that is it. You have this curved text. You can of course enlarge it like so, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!